one and only Coco.
Hi everyone, chatham-kent here, and I'm here today to make a video, actually, about my website. Okay, and what I figured I would do for a few days now is give you guys updates on everything that's going to be happening on the Coco Show. I will be making separate videos for everything, so you guys will be able to see a video for the website, the newsletters, the emails, and everything that you guys ever seen on the Coco Show. But today's video is going to be about the website. I made a website last year called thecocoshow.webs.com. And now what I've decided to do for 2011 is to transfer everything from Webs to Wibbly, my second website. So the website has been redecorated, redesigned, and re-put together. And it's an awesome website. I figured I would do this like this because Webs is really good, but it doesn't offer what Wibbly offers me. Everything is there, pretty much. The promotional video list, you guys can check that out. The web store is still there, so the Coco Show DVD Season 1 is still available for $15. Not much. I know on eBay it was on sale for $20, but I lowered it for everyone. Maybe $15 is more reasonable. So if you guys like to purchase your Coco Show DVD Season 1, you can do so from the website. There's actually a contact form on the website as well. So if you guys like to contact me about anything involving the Coco Show, you guys can do so from the website. It's basically easy and simple for you guys to fill out. There's actually a few more things onto the website. If you guys go onto the toolbar, that's actually where it says all the pages, there's actually going to be a tab that says More. If you scroll down, you click on it, and it's going to bring you a list, and it's going to bring you two things. I think it's going to bring you one, make money from websites. Pretty simple. These are two websites that I found to make a little bit of money to yourself, maybe $2, $2 or $3 once in there. And if you guys keep on doing that, you guys may reach $15. But the website is pretty much well designed now. Hope you guys all enjoy the website because I really put a lot of hours towards that website for you guys to all enjoy and be satisfied to enjoy a terrific website from the Coco Show. So hope you guys will enjoy that. I'm going to share with you guys another clip of the snowstorm that we're currently having. So after that, hope you guys will enjoy it. My name is chatham-kent. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Okay, everyone, this is the snow that we're having. More big snowstorm. Another big snowstorm. Right here in Chatham. I just can't believe it. This is like the second major snowstorm that we're having so far. Show you guys the roads. Show you guys the roads. Look at that. Take care, everyone.
Coco Show, you have watched Coco. Thanks for watching Coco Show.